Welcome back to Alex 3D Works. Today we're continuing our FreeCAD beginner series, and we're building this cute robot head. This lesson is perfect if you're new to FreeCAD. We'll practice sketches, constraints, symmetry, pockets, and paths, all while creating a fun little model you can actually 3D print. Let's start by creating a new body. Select the Z-axis and open a new sketch. We'll use a center rectangle. Place it right on the origin and set the size, 50 by 50 millimeters. Close the sketch and pad it to 50 millimeters. Select the front face and open another sketch. Select the external geometry tool and then click on the external lines. Now select the circle tool and then create two circles of 15 millimeters. Select the center of the first circle, the second one, and the vertical axis. Then click the symmetric tool. Both eyes will align automatically. Now set the diameter to 5 millimeters and do the same for the second circle. Close the sketch and make a pocket, 49 millimeters deep. Reopen the sketch and let's add a smile. Use the Arc by Center tool, click the center axis, set a 15 millimeter radius, and draw it from 0 degrees to 180. Complete the shape using two short lines to close the profile. FreeCAD updates the pocket automatically, and the robot now has a face. Select the bottom face and open a new sketch. Grab the rectangle tool and draw two rectangles, each 15 by 20 millimeters. Now we need to align them. Use the Dimension tool. Select the vertical axis and the outer edge of the first rectangle. Set it to 2.5 millimeters. Now we can't dimension the top rectangle line yet because it's not imported. So click the External Geometry tool. Select the outer edge of the cube, and now we can dimension from that line. Set the top offset to 15 millimeters and repeat for the second rectangle. Close the sketch and pad it to 25 millimeters. And that's it. You've just modeled your first FreeCAD robot. This lesson gave you real practice with constraints, symmetry, arcs, pockets, and paths. All the essential tools for FreeCAD beginners. If you're enjoying this series, hit like and subscribe, and get ready for part 3, where we keep building our FreeCAD robot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.